Good evening, everybody. This is Frankie here with an update on what's going to be major Hurricane Helene here very soon here. You can see this is the latest model forecast. You can see it develop and just tighten up and explode in intensity. You can see those deep reds and even pinks in there showing up. That's extremely heavy rain and very, very strong winds. This storm is expected to make landfall as a Category 3, maybe even a Category 4 storm. So it is very, very imperative that everybody prepares very quickly for this storm. The storm surge could be up to 8 to 12 feet in the Big Bend area of Florida. So be prepared for that. And now that you've seen this GFS model run, I'm going to go ahead and leave you with some news coverage that explains everything that's going on with this storm and what to expect. So that's all I have. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.
Two big names in weather this week, a cold front and what will be tropical storm and eventually Hurricane Helene. Now it's called Tropical Cyclone number 9. It's in the Caribbean south of the Cayman Islands, but it is beginning to get better organized. And within the next 24 hours, it's a tropical storm. By Wednesday afternoon, a hurricane over the very warm waters of the Gulf. And that warm water plus favorable upper air winds likely let this thing become a major hurricane, making landfall somewhere between Panama City and the north side of the Tampa metro area. That is a very wide margin of error right now, but the bullseye looks to be the Big Bend of Florida here between Apalachicola and Cedar Key. Then the storm makes that turn toward the northwest, which may look a little bit odd when you look at the overall pattern here, but watch it in motion as we use one of our forecast models. You've got all these lines here that represents different forecast model tracks. They're all pretty well clustered, making this go right between Cuba and the Yucatan, strengthening rapidly over the Gulf and then moving inland there somewhere between Apalachicola and Cedar Key. Cross City, St. Mark's would definitely be in the path of this storm by Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. Around Alabama, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will all be impact days because of rain and thunderstorms, and especially Thursday, we think the wind is going to start to pick up some. Around here tonight, things look nice and quiet. Tomorrow afternoon, we're hot with some scattered thunderstorms. The high close to 90, and that's probably the last time that we're going to be around 90 this calendar year. The humidity is increasing ahead of that front on Tuesday, and we may end up with a few active thunderstorms over northwest Alabama Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. That action will pull farther to the east during the day on Wednesday. Look at this. Wednesday afternoon, the front stalls. West Alabama looks drier than East Alabama, and some of these thunderstorms could be on the heavy side too. Then the front starts to back up, and look at this. It seems like we're just going to get a bullseye of really heavy rain that runs from Birmingham up toward Huntsville, Fort Payne, Gadsden, Scottsboro, and then here comes rain from Helene, those northwestern tropical rain bands moving in as we work on through the day, Thursday into Thursday night. And by Thursday evening, some of us are going to get some really heavy rainfall, and then we may add even more to that on Friday. Scattered storms are going to continue through Saturday and Sunday, and then likely through Monday of next week as those remnants of this tropical system just keep hanging around. You're watching WVTM 13 News.